The code to financial success has been dissected, deciphered, and laid bare. Now you can be immune to the credit crunch, tumbling stock markets, uncontrollable exchange rates, and rising unemployment. My top secret software, tailored to perfection, exploits unknown loopholes for guaranteed returns. No complex charts. No baffling analysis. In fact, nothing to learn at all. With this plug-and-trade technology, you can launch your assault on the binary market within 15 minutes or less. At last, the next generation of automated binary trading is here. Fellow profit seekers, a few years ago, I developed a unique way of making money through binary options, which made me a multi-millionaire by the age of just 49. To prove my software worked, under the watchful eye of a private hedge fund, I used my formula to bank over $236,708.43 in just 30 days. Does the sound of making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month sound attractive? Well, of course it does. Before I consider letting you in on my top secret trading software, pay attention to what I'm about to reveal on this page. I'll show you exactly how to let this superhuman software run riot on your binary account, enabling you to withdraw your share of the trillions of dollars, pounds, and euros just waiting to be collected. Recession-proof, crash-proof, and foolproof. Auto binary signals will give you the power to siphon off $760 net profit in just 72 seconds. Got your attention yet? Firstly, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Roger Pierce. Nowadays, financial experts consider me to be a very successful binary trader, but I've not always been the expert I am today. I'm here to be nothing but upfront and honest with you about my trading past and present, so you can make an informed decision on whether this unique automated binary opportunity is the one for you. I started out in 1982, graduating with a first in computer science from the London School of Economics. I got hooked on trading when I got my first opening with JP Morgan. My reputation grew quickly. I achieved major success at a time when market conditions were bullish. I honestly thought I was invincible. How naive I was in hindsight. I worked long, grueling hours, partied hard, and still found time to get married and have 2 kids. I was on top of the world. Then the stock market crashed in '87, and it all changed. Black Monday was the largest one-day market crash in history. My portfolio of clients were hit hard as the Dow lost 22.6% of its value, or $500 billion, on October 19, 1987. That same week, I ended up in the divorce courts and almost bankrupt with nothing to show for all my hard work. Or at least, I thought so. I switched jobs and moved to New York, managing financial software for one of the largest hedge funds on Wall Street. This period away from the trading floor gave me a different perspective. I could see how you could easily get hooked into the trade without understanding the bigger picture. One crucial mistake most traders make is looking for too many trading opportunities. With my risk/reward stabilizing system in place, we never have to worry about any of that. Balance and stability are as important in binary trading as they are in life. I'm not here to make stupid risks that jeopardize my family's security, and neither should you. Now, with auto-binary signals producing weekly profits of $59,177.10, just as it makes money for me, it'll make money for you, day in, day out. All the hard work has already been done for you. Here are just a few of the key secrets inside my incredible trading software. Risk/reward stabilizing system. MPMIS, multi-indicator system with trading precision. Supply and demand price predictor. Auto-adaptive profit trade technology. Super accurate 80 to 100% leading call/put signals. This revolutionary new software will alert you automatically with signals notifying you when to trade binary and, most importantly, when not to. It's a simple one-click process to time your trades to perfection. For a small outlay, you can convert your trades lucratively. After trading successfully on the stock market in the 80s, becoming a financial software consultant in the early 90s, I moved on to managing my own successful private hedge fund in 2002. Investments in property also paid dividends, but by 2007 it was pretty clear that the property bubble was about to burst. It was around this time that I started to look for other investment opportunities. I wanted to cut my losses and get out of property as I could see the way the market was moving. In 2008, I saw the emergence of binary options and quickly knew that this would be the next big thing. Since it burst onto the scene, I have been at the forefront of the industry, developing profitable strategies for a lot of wealthy private investors. Using my experience from other markets and my wealth of software experience, I have managed to tip the scales in my favor to generate massive binary profits in a truly groundbreaking way. The key to financial success is timing. Make sure you're in the right market at the right time with the right direction, and success will most definitely follow. What I'm going to show you now might irritate old-fashioned traders who can't accept that a piece of software can outperform what they have learned through many years of trial and error. Contrary to their outdated belief system, there are two significant advantages. 1, no trading experience is needed. 2, you can start to profit right now. Let me explain why auto-binary signals is so accurate. Using one indicator can be very effective. However, I believe that the more parameters ABS can verify into each trade, the better. Therefore, it does not rely on 1, 2, or 3 indicators. I have implemented 5 tweaked to perfection, custom-made indicators into the algorithm. My software delivers signals only when the 5 indicators are aligned together, and we have an extremely high confidence rate. It must then coexist with my proven secret strategy before a trade be detected. As a result, we get a guaranteed highly accurate 80 to 100% signal. Each of the 5 built-in indicators are responsible for an important aspect in the analysis of the market. Internal cohesive recognition patterns trigger when ideal thresholds are reached, whether it means placing a successful trade or taking the decision not to trade and avoid unnecessary risks. ABS is all about maximum profits and minimum risks. Let me explain a few more advantages you get with auto-binary signals. Extensive perception of market situation thanks to my proprietary MPMIS. This is a custom-built multi-indicator system which executes with super accurate trading precision. My built-in secret strategy calculates trade confidence /strength /likelihood of the signal. The trader can decide whether to trade digital options 15 minutes and more and turbo options 1 to 5 minutes. The advantage of this is that since turbo options are more sensitive and configured on small movements, the trader can decide the accuracy, profitability, and risk they want to trade with. Enhanced visual interface makes it easy to apply for any level of computer user. Auto-binary signals is compatible with all binary option trading platforms. You have the power to do exactly what you've seen here in this video. And finally, make your dreams of financial independence come true. Don't gamble with your binary trading like picking red or black at the roulette table or taking a 50-50 bet based on pure chance. Let me be the first to tell you the window of opportunity to earn huge profits using ABS is open right now. But the window is rapidly closing and will only be available for a limited number of users. It is not important if you're just looking to take a cheap $799 weekend cruise, or you're trying to create a livelihood from trading and want to earn $5,341.55 a week, or even $7,641.09 in the next 24 hours. Auto Binary Signals is the culmination of over 30 years of investment in trading and financial software development experience. I just want you to grab it, use it, and touch others with your success stories. I'm not selling licenses for a ridiculous price. I want you to understand people only succeed when they apply themselves. If you're serious about becoming financially free, you must be willing to pay the price. If you want to become an athlete, you need to dedicate yourself to intense training. If you want to become a doctor or a lawyer, you need to get the degree to even begin working. I have done all the hard work for you here. All you have to do is apply yourself before Auto Binary Signals is closed to the public. As demand becomes increasingly hard to deal with, I have no other option but to throw up a sold out sign. You're also not going to be able to come back tomorrow and get access for this same ridiculously discounted price which is available today. It'll cost you a lot more as the days go by and places become more and more limited. I wouldn't want you to stop yourself from a life of success by hesitating here today. Make a positive step forward in the right direction and become an instant success trading binary options. It's time to profit. See you on the inside, and let's make you a ton of money. Signing off, your friend and fellow trader, Roger Pierce.